So we put happy right here all together so that we can start. Why do we put happy in our heart? Because when we have happy in our heart, we treat ourselves with kindness and understanding. And then when we have that in our heart, we treat others with the same. Take just a moment to think about that. Usually brings a smile to your face if you think of happy. And we like to share that. That's one way to share our kindness, with our smile. Share that with someone next to you. Share it with another. Share it with another. Look at that amazing teacher. Share it with your teacher. Great time to offer a thank you. It's a silent thank you. It's a sign language thank you. Thank you, teachers, for all you do. Thank you, Candeo, for being here and starting our day together. Take just a moment to be still and silent. One thing that helps is to just try not to move a muscle except to breathe. It's times like these that we can focus. And right now I feel a little breeze on my skin. Get mindful of reach. Today we get to think about reach especially. But every day we think of something we can do that can make it better for ourselves and others. Take just a moment to think of one thing that you can do in reach today. All right, with our mindfulness, our happy in our heart, our breaths, we go ahead and welcome this day. Welcome to the day. We'll start the way we normally do. And you will have a wonderful transition. You'll face the flag that way. Would that be okay? And then fourth grade, you will recite the beginning of the Declaration of Independence. We do not have Mr. Braddock here. However, fifth grade, were you prepared? Yes. Were you prepared to sing a patriotic song? Grand Old Flag. We'll do Grand Old Flag. Without Mr. Braddock here, we don't know. He's on his way. So we're hoping that he'll get here soon. All right, ready for the transition? It's a little bit different today. Ready, go. Kindergarten music stand. Face the flag. Hand on your heart. Get ready. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness, and security, rights, government, and constitution among men, driving the just powers of men of God.
Please stay standing, face this way, and I'm going to do my best. Who knows how to lead better than I do? Miss Wisniewska, do you know how to lead a song better than I do? Give it a try. I think they know. so much. Again, welcome. This is our October All-Stars Assembly. We will start with sharing what we learn and what we know. Fifth grade is here to present to us with Madame Martel and a few other special guests. I think you'll enjoy it. I remember it from last year. So much fun. We'll start with that. Madame Martel, I think, will come out at some point. And here she is, ready to share our learning.
Bonjour, bonjour! Bienvenue à la laboratoire de Martel Einstein! Je suis ici avec Monsieur Moustache! Moustache est ici avec les moustachiers! Une question pour Monsieur Moustache. Savez-vous manger? Pauvre Monsieur Moustache, il ne sait pas manger. Savez-vous marcher? Pauvre Monsieur Moustache, il ne sait pas marcher non plus. Monsieur Moustache, savez-vous danser? Non, pauvre Monsieur Moustache, il ne sait pas danser. Alors, j'ai une idée. Monsieur Moustache, j'ai un expériment. Oui? Oui! Vive Monsieur Moustache! Vive Monsieur Moustache! Monsieur Moustache! Monsieur Moustache! Mangez! Monsieur Moustache! Marchez! Monsieur Moustache! Vive Monsieur Moustache, tout le monde! Vive Monsieur Moustache! Vive Monsieur Moustache! Vive Savez-vous manger? performance avec Monsieur Biez, Monsieur Moustache. Elle est moustachienne. Elle est moustachienne. Bravo. Elle est petite banane. Bravo, banane. Bravo. Merci, 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 mes bananes. Alors, in class this year, we've been working on saying some phrases that are between French and English. And our favorite one was savoir-faire. Merci, savoir-faire. You all are so savvy in French class. So we decided to challenge Monsieur Moustache to learn how to do a few of our actions, our verbs. And I think he did a pretty good job. So merci beaucoup for sharing our savoir-faire with us this morning. Au revoir!
All right. Ready. Here we go. We have a few quick announcements before the reach portion of our assembly. So hang in there with us. We have Miss Urich here. She looks a little different right now. Give her a hand. We like her. Who likes to read? Saying bingo! Who likes getting gifts for winning bingo? Who would love to read with their grandparents? Okay, so let me tell you what's coming up this week. Tonight, I know there's a lot going on, but if you could try to make it to the cafeteria tonight for bingo night, the book fair is also going on in the middle school building. Okay, so 2 things going on tonight at once. And then next week, book fair all week. And on Wednesday night, we have a special night. We are going to be open late on Wednesday, and we encourage all of you to bring your grandparents for a grandparents and ghoul little fun time with the monsters. We'll have some refreshments for you. And your grandparents, I'm sure they'd love to buy you some books, right? Yeah! You'll be able to go during your okay? So boys and girls, next week book fair, tonight bingo night, okay? Thank you! So it kicks off tonight at what, 5 o'clock? 5:30 it kicks off tonight. Let's see. I have a second announcement. Where are you? Our one and only Mrs. Bettis. Give her a hand.
Sunglasses on because I want to see all those pretty, shining faces this morning. All right, you guys notice the weather's getting beautiful out here in Arizona? Yeah! And you know what that means? Turkey Trot! For those of you who were not here last year, Turkey Trot is a great community event. It's where our families can come out and celebrate the spirit of Candeo and what we build here for our children. It is a fundraiser, and all the money raised is going to finish our gymnasium. Okay, so last year you got to come out and you got to run, and you got to ride your bikes and ride your scooters, and it was beautiful. We had our moms and dads who made chili. We had a chili cook-off that was amazing. And we also had Coach Nash, who was a great spirit and got to wear this turkey outfit. Remember that? Yeah! She was the master ceremony, and she was riding a golf cart around and leading us in the turkey trot. Well, this year, because not all the funds are going to the athletic department, we're going to vote to see who's going to wear the turkey costume. exciting. I know. Parents, it is in 2 weeks. It's November 14th. We put it on a Saturday afternoon, which starts at 3:30, so everybody can make it. It'll be after dance, cheerleading, and soccer game. But we've got another really big surprise. If we reach our ticket goal of over 400, we're going to do something even more fun. You see all these beautiful, fun, enthusiastic teachers that make our school so very special? They actually, some of them will have the opportunity to join in and be in a dunk tank. Well, this year we're doing the turkey trot, the chili cook-off. We have inflatable slides. We have giant yard Jenga. We have a craft kit. We have a pie eating contest. This flyer went home last week, and we're trying to get you really confused because we've got a beautiful, more efficient flyer coming home next week. Please send your wristband money in. The sooner you send it in, the faster I can order that duck tank, because we're not going to get it unless we reach 400 tickets. All right? Thank you, and thanks for coming out to the Reach Assembly Parents.
One and only Mrs. Sabrita. Give her a hand.
Who knows what a veteran is? Okay, so anyone who's served in the military or they're currently serving in the military, we have a veteran. You can just put your hands down. Good job. We have a Veterans Day Assembly coming up in 2 Tuesdays. If you have a family member that's a veteran and they're currently serving, please tell your parents to read the email and respond to me. Let me know that they're coming. Teachers and emails should come out to all of you guys explaining, if you're new to the school, how that morning will work. It's kind of a big deal, in a good way. And if you have a veteran who cannot come or someone who's in the military who can't come, you can make a poster and you get a hold of the poster to honor them that morning too. So talk to your parents about that email as well. And I think that's all. We'll see you in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Mrs. Sabrita. That will be our 8th annual Veterans Day Assembly. I believe it's on the 10th. Is that right? On the 10th? Okay, join us for that, please. All right, it is time to recognize great citizenship at Candeo. We see it all the time, and I love it. Can you tell everyone what R stands for? E. Attitude. Good attitude, right? Yes. C. And H. Heart. Show that right here, and we give it to others. Thank you so much. It is our Reach portion. We will start with kindergarten. You get to come up, be recognized. I think what we'll do is bring up a grade level, K2, and then go back down. I can't remember how we did it last year or last month, but I liked it. So someone will have to remind me. Here we go, kindergarten. And please be great audience members. I want you to listen to every word.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I'm so jealous Dr. Mustard gets to hear that every morning. The student that I chose this month is so kind. She always says wonderful things to her classmates, is always kind to me and the other teachers. She's always on task, uses a ton of effort in everything that she does, has a smile on her face, and loves learning. Paisley Petruski.
My Reach winner for the Montauk Tour is someone who should October Reach winner this month is someone who has always shown up to school with a smile on his face, showing Reach every day, but especially these last 4 weeks. He's shown so much attitude and so much heart in everything he does, so I'm so honored to give this month's Reach award to Jude Smith.
Good morning, Candeo. My Reach Award winner, I just feel very honored to have this kiddo in my class. I've actually known him since he was a toddler, and he probably doesn't even remember, but I just love the energy he brings to our class. He comes into school every day just so enthusiastic, so funny, and is just an amazing kiddo. He's very respectful, puts in a lot of effort, and I just enjoy him dearly, and this one's for Connor Fuzzy.
My October Reach winner has reached every single day. She shows every aspect of it. Cindy Bowers, can you come up here?
All right, we'll stay up here with K2 and then we'll sit.
I want to try this. Good morning, Candeo. Okay, my Reach Award goes to a student that shows Reach all the time. He's very respectful, shows great effort, and one day one of his classmates was absent and he took her notes for her, which was so sweet. He didn't even have to do that, and he was amazing to do that. So great heart, and this is for Will Millen. My October winner is a student who so consistently shows Reach. It doesn't matter what we're learning or where we are. She is always on top of things. She has a great attitude about everything and approaches each new challenge positively. And that is Miss Way Townend. My October Reach Award goes to a student who has shown Reach every single day since the first day of school. She tries super hard in everything that we do, and she is so sweet and kind to just everybody, and that is Miss Emmy Chase.
Good morning. I want to recognize a very special student for the month of October, and I want to recognize this student for their effort and their heart. And this student is extremely polite, so kind, so gentle. And I'm just going to tell you a quick story. We have live caterpillars in our classroom, and we were going over procedures for fire drill. And his main concern was, well, who's going to get the caterpillars out? Because they can't stay behind. So he just cares about everything and everyone, and I absolutely love this kiddo. And Chess, you are my Reach winner. I'm so proud of you.
My Reach Award winner this month goes to a very special young lady. She has been working so hard since the first day of school. She's made so much growth and progress, and her positive attitude never goes away. She fills my heart with happiness every morning. She walks into our classroom. Miss Sydney Chanella, come on up.
Good morning, Candeo. I wore my favorite flower shirt today because the student that I chose for Reach is an absolute flower in my classroom. She's bright and she's always smiling and she's so hardworking, just like a flower when it's growing. Scarlett Stanger, come on up.
Thank you, kindergarten through second grades. One quick photo, if there is one, and then we go. I will see you at Muffins with Dr. Mustard.
Oh, I see my great third grade Reach students showing me those great pieces. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mrs. Stewart. Thank you from Miss Stewart's class and Miss Kingston's class. We're really looking for a student that holds themselves accountable for their behavior all the time. One question that kids reflected on before conferences is, can we count on you all the time in the classroom with your friends? And one student really shines in this area. We can always count on her to be ready, to be focused, to be a good friend. And that's Brinley Nally.
Good morning. The student I want to celebrate today, she just stands out. She's really the kind of girl that always just does whatever you need to do to be successful. She's grown so much over the first quarter. She's always up to making herself a better student, a better role model for others. The kids appreciate her and adore her just as much as I do. She's my music Turner offer, Ashley Quintana.
Good morning.
Good morning,
The student I chose this month is always focused in the classroom and shows up with a smile on his face. The thing I notice about him is his ability to never, ever give up and is always willing to help out whatever needs to be done in the classroom. Kellen Hua,